Hi everyone. Before we will proceed to our continuation of our tutorial in math, I would like to ask some favor. Please subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to hit the notification bell here. And this time we are going to continue the formula for number 3. So the formula number 3, this is what we call the product of two dissimilar binomials. So here we can also use the FOIL method. So what's this FOIL methods that can be used in this particular formula? So the FOIL method stands for F stands for first term, O stands for outer term, and I stands for inner term, and L stands for last term. So let's try. Let's see if what's the significance of this FOIL method to this third formula in the special product formula. So if we have A plus B multiplied to C plus D, it is equals to the product of AC plus the product of AD plus the product of BC and the product of BD. So the FOIL method here is actually came from here. So if we have the first term of the first binomial, we also have the first term of the second binomial. So the first term of the first binomial is A, and the first term of the second binomial is A. That's why we got AC here. This stands for the first term. And AD is referring to the outer term of A and D. So this is the outer term. So if we have here AD, we have O, and B and BC is referring to I, or the inner term. And BD is referring to, if we have an outer term, we have also a last term, the first term and the last term. So BD is referring to the last term. Okay, so let's take an example. If we have to find the product of two binomials, 3x plus 2y, multiplied to 2x plus 5y. So we can call this as a dissimilar binomial. So let's apply. So if we have 3x here, multiplied to 2x, then we will add it to the outer term, which is 3x multiplied to 5y, and the inner term, which is the 2y and 2x, we are going to multiply 2x and 2 we have 2y rather, we have 2y multiplied to 2x, then the last term added to 2y multiplied to the 5y. So let us have this one. So if we have here, we will now simplify 6x squared, then we will add it to the product of this is 15xy. Same time, we have also the product of this for xy. It doesn't matter if we have a replacement or when you write an arrangement of x and y, you can arrange it immediately. So we have here then y squared. So as you can see here, the middle term or the two terms in the middle here are the same or similar terms. So we can simplify this. We just write the first term, simplify the second and third term, which is becomes 19xy. Then the last term is 10y squared. So this is gonna be our final answer. So that's it for this particular example. Our second example is like this. What if the binomials here are with the signs who has a negative sign? So let's try to simplify. So first, you are going to multiply 2z, multiply to the first term, which is negative 4z, added to another 2z, multiplied to the value of d, which is negative 5y, added to the value of b is 3y, multiplied to the value of c, which is negative 4z, and the last one is 3y multiplied to negative 5 y. So as you observe, in this particular example, all of those signs were carried here. So every time that we put substitution method, we were able to put some negative sign. So let's simplify. So we have negative 8z squared. So let us simplify the sign. Negative 10yz. So here minus 12yz, then minus, it is unlike sign, 15y squared. So in this stage, we were able to have a common or similar term. So let's simplify 8z squared, same sign, so we have 22yz, the last term 15y squared. Our final answer for this example is negative 8z squared minus 22yz minus 15y squared. So for the next video, we are going to explain more and more formulas, and for you to be able to have more updates, don't forget to click this and click that one. So thank you for listening, and I hope more subscribers to come and more likes to come, and thank you very much.